Okay, it's taking its time. Hopefully we'll be recording in a moment. Okay, we're recording. So we're going to do the reproductive system today. The practice tests are up. We'll have the test on the 23rd and 24th. No class on the 23rd. Have a good Thanksgiving on Thursday. So the reproductive system has gonads, testes, and ovaries. Gametes are the sperm in the male and the egg in females. Fusion of the male and female gametes is fertilization. Zygote is the fertilized egg. So males have a testes. It produces sperm. The epididymis stores. The ductus deferens leads. It's a tube that leads from the testes to move the sperm to the exterior. We'll talk about the ejaculatory duct, seminal vesicle, prostate gland, bulbal urethral glands. And the urethra is within the penis in the male. The penis is the erectile organ. So it allows for delivery of sperm to the female. So if you look at the various parts of the reproductive system in the male, you have the testes, then the epididymis, then the ductus deferens, which carries sperm to the exterior. And you have the seminal vesicle, the prostate gland, and the ejaculatory duct, which allows the sperm to enter the urethra. So have a general idea of this pathway and the parts that the pathway uses to get from the testes to the penis to deliver the sperm to the female. So the testes is the primary sex organ. It has within the scrotum. There's muscles, dartos muscle, cremaster muscle. We won't have we'll have no questions on those. And the tunica albuginea encloses the testes. So the testes is made up of seminiferous tubules, cells surrounding the tubules. The seminiferous tubules produce sperm. The interstitial cells around the tubules produce testosterone, the main male hormone. So in the seminiferous tubules, you have a process that uses spermatogenesis to produce spermatogonia. The sustentacular cells are other cells in the seminiferous tubules. They help sustain and promote spermatogenesis, the process of making sperm. So within the cross-section of the testes, you can see that the seminiferous tubules are very, very numerous. Then you have the epididymis where sperm are stored. Then the ductus deferens where sperm are conveyed to the exterior to get to the urethra and the penis. So the cross-section through the seminiferous tubules, the sperm are found in the tubes and are produced by the cells making up the wall of each tube. So you have mature spermatozoa. The process, the spermatocytes produce spermatotids, and here's the interstitial cells, blood supply, and the mature sperm are spermatozoa, and they will be released by moving away from the testes, away from the epididymis, through the ductus deferens, and on its way to the exterior. Let's look at the parts of a sperm. We're not going to worry about spermatogenesis. So the part of the sperm that has a head, a neck, a middle piece, and a tail, that's it. So it carries the genetic information from the male. Half of the genetic information comes from the male, half is from the female. So meiosis produces gametes. The sperm in the male contain the chromosomes, and from one spermatid, one from each cell entering meiosis. So meiosis is the process where the number of chromosomes is reduced from 46 to 23. Let's stop there. Go back here. Stop recording. Stop recording.